Is it true that the IRS now has free reign over all customer data on Coinbase? That's what a lot of news stories and headlines are going to lead you to believe, but today we're going to actually take a look at what a recent court ruling actually means for user data, especially for those of you who have accounts on Coinbase. Please keep watching. If you guys enjoy these updates, if you find them to be helpful to keep you in the know what's happening in crypto, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. I appreciate it even more if you hit subscribe, because we put out videos every single day. If you hit the bell notification next to that subscribe button, you'll get notified when we put videos out so you don't miss any of this important information. If you want to know even more in-depth information on what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies and why, check out a link to the CT Club down below in the video description. It's the start of a new month, so it's a great time to join this membership. I highly recommend it. We've been doing a lot of things with microcap coins, so for those of you who are looking into what you could be investing in new, that might be a good place for you to start. So for those of you who have been around in crypto for a while, you will remember in 2016 when the IRS tried to issue a John Doe summons for all users on Coinbase. They wanted to know everyone who was using Coinbase, all of their financial information, and they wanted to collect that data and use it to see who wasn't paying their taxes. Coinbase fought back, and then IRS fought back again. And so basically what happened was they found certain parameters, and if they met a certain threshold, either of an amount being invested or amount being earned or a number of trades occurring, then Coinbase would be forced to give that information to the IRS. Now there's a guy, Harper, Mr. Harper, he's been fighting this for a while, saying that what the IRS did, even though Coinbase had to compromise within certain parameters, this whole situation was a violation of his Fourth Amendment, of his right to due process, and his right to protect against unwarranted searches and seizures. And a court recently found that, you know what, Mr. Harper, none of your rights were violated in this move from the IRS. So that's the first thing I want to clear up right away. This isn't necessarily a new situation between the IRS and Coinbase. This isn't necessarily saying a court saying that the IRS can get access to every Coinbase user's information, no matter what, for whatever reason. What's happened now is one guy was trying to do the legal route, fight the IRS, protect his privacy, and judge could not see that. So at the surface level, maybe take a deep breath here. Your information isn't imminently in threat of being forked over to the IRS, or is it? Because this does set a certain precedent for in the future if the IRS wanted to try this again. Now be reminded, just a couple weeks ago, Kraken is suing the IRS for trying to do a very similar situation to that cryptocurrency exchange. Kraken didn't like the fact that the IRS was trying to get all of their users' data without any kind of justification or any kind of specific qualifications, and they're fighting them in that court case. So that's definitely something to pay attention to, and we're going to see if the tides are going to start turning in the favor of governments versus individuals in terms of taxes. And I know there's a lot of people who have a lot of strong opinions both for and against that situation. I'm gonna let you battle it out in the comments down below. Anyway, that was my update for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.